Hi there. Welcome to this special edition of our YouTube channel where we explore ways to make money online in Nigeria as a student. In this video, we will be sharing with you tips, tricks, and practical steps to help you monetize your skills and turn your passions into a profitable business. Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about making money online in Nigeria as a student. In today's world, there are numerous ways to earn a passive income from the comfort of your own home. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, this video has got you covered. Let's start by exploring the different ways to make money online in Nigeria as a student. Some of the most popular options include freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling products online, creating and selling online courses, starting a blog, social media marketing. In this video, we're going to dive deeper into each of these methods and give you practical tips on how to get started. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a look at some of the things you need to have in place before you start making money online. First, you need to have a stable internet connection. This is because most of the work you'll be doing will require an internet connection. Second, you need to have a laptop or a desktop computer. While you can make money online using just your smartphone, having a laptop will make the process a lot easier and more convenient. Finally, you need to have a PayPal account. PayPal is a popular online payment platform that allows you to receive and send payments from anywhere in the world. It's also the most commonly used payment platform in Nigeria. With these essentials in place, let's dive into the different ways you can make money online in Nigeria as a student. Freelancing is a great way to make money online as a student. It involves offering your services to individuals or businesses who need them. Some of the most popular freelancing platforms include Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. To get started, all you need to do is create a profile on one of these platforms and start bidding on projects that match your skill set. You can offer services such as graphic design, content creation, web development, and more. Another way to make money online as a student is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products, earning a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to sign up for an affiliate program and receive a unique affiliate link. You can then promote the product through your blog, social media, or email list. Selling products online is another great way to make money as a student. You can sell physical or digital products through platforms like Gigi, Amazon, Jumia, Konga, Facebook Marketplace, and many others. To get started, all you need to do is create an account on these platforms and start uploading your products. Make sure you have high-quality images and descriptions to entice potential buyers. If you're an expert in a particular field or have a passion for teaching, creating and selling online courses is a great way to monetize your skills. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell your own courses. To get started, you need to choose a topic you're knowledgeable about and start creating your course content. You can use video lectures, slides, and interactive quizzes to make your course engaging and interactive. Once your course is ready, you can start promoting it on your social media, blog, or website. Starting a blog is another great way to make money online as a student. Blogging allows you to share your thoughts, opinions, and expertise with a large audience and monetize your content through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. To start a blog, you need to choose a blogging platform, such as WordPress, and sign up for hosting. Once your blog is up and running, you can start creating high-quality content and promoting it on social media and other platforms. Finally, social media marketing is another way to make money online as a student. If you have a large following on social media, you can leverage your platform to promote products and services to your audience. To get started, you need to choose a social media platform where you have a large following and start promoting products that align with your interests and values. You can also work with businesses and brands to create sponsored content for their products. So there you have it, folks. 6 different ways to make money online in Nigeria as a student. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's an option for everyone. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.